Good morning, children. Welcome all of you to today's accountancy class. Today also we will discuss one question for accounting equations. So last class we discussed what do you mean by accounting equations. It is a balance sheet equation, and it is working under double entry system of accounting or dual aspect concept of accounting, that is debit aspect and credit aspects. Then the accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So assets are the properties owned by the business, or the properties available in the business. We spend money for that and we brought it. So whatever money we are having in the business, that is called owner's money or capital. Or if it is not sufficient, we have to borrow from others. Outside people also help us by giving their money. So those people's money we have to pay them back afterwards. That is why it is known as liabilities. So accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, so always this should tally. So suppose I have a 10 rupee, so that 10 rupee product only I can purchase in our business. So that is called assets. What I am purchasing by utilizing that money, that is called my assets. From where I am getting money to do my business or to run my business, that is known as what? Fund or capital. That capital is either it is owner's own money, that is known as capital, or we can borrow from others and do our business. Okay, so now today also we'll discuss one question. Some more transactions we discuss so that you will understand it very clearly. Okay, so come to the question. This is the question. Here you can see some more number of transactions. So Manoj started business with. First I will explain the question. Manoj is going to start his business. For that he brought cash 2,30,000, goods 1 lakh, and building 2 lakh. So when we start business, not only money, whatever the owner brings to start his business, that all together it is capital, and at the time it is whatever they brought that name also. Suppose this all together we can call it as capital. 2,30,000 plus 1 lakh plus 2 lakh. So total how much capital he invested? 2 plus 2 4 5 30. 5,30,000 is total capital he brought. But it is available in different forms. It is available in cash. Cash is in the 2,30,000. But goods so we write what name? Stock. Remember, we will not write goods, we will mention it as stock. Then building also there, one building is there, that 2 lakh is the value. So building only will show. Okay, so cash is asset, goods are asset, that means stock. Goods we call it as stock. Then building also assets. So these three assets are there. So equal to that, liability side what will come? Capital will come. Okay, 5,30,000. Okay, so I will write it. First I will explain the question. Then he purchased goods for cash. So he purchased goods for cash. Cash given and purchased goods. So when goods comes to the business, what we write? Stock. How much? 50,000. So for cash means cash has gone. So from cash we have to minus and stock to increase. Okay, cash minus and stock plus. He sold goods for cash costing 20,000. Now from the available goods he took 20,000 stock and sold it for rupees 35,000. So how much profit or loss? Cost price is 20,000, selling price is 35,000. So selling price is more than cost price, then it is profit. Okay, 15,000 profit. Then he purchased goods from Rahul. From one Rahul is the person, he purchased goods from him. So what is the difference in giving name? So whenever in transaction name is given, that means cash is not paid or received. Okay, so he purchased the goods. Who? Manoj purchased the goods, but he didn't pay money to Rahul. So Rahul is our creditor. Okay, creditor, remember. Now again he sold goods to Varun costing 52,000. 52,000 goods he sold for 60,000. That means 8,000 rupee profit. Always remember cost price. This is selling price. He paid cash to Rahul in full settlement. Okay, now on another day he paid money to Rahul. Whatever he has to pay in full settlement he paid. We will compare the amount what he has to pay or how much he paid. Then salary paid by him. To his employees he paid salary 20,000. Then received cash from Varun in full settlement. So Varun is the person he purchased from us, from Manoj. So he gave his money back. Rent outstanding. Outstanding means that is due but not paid. Suppose your fee payment is due in the month of July. If you have not paid it, then July you pay. April month we pay for April, May, June. July month fee is for 3 months. So July, August, September. So due is on July. But for that one last date also there. So that quarter is over by September. Now again October your fee is due. So that month we call it as due. But if it is not received after the due date, then it is called what? Outstanding. Okay, received or paid, both are same only. So rent outstanding means rent we will pay to someone because we are using the room or building of somebody else. So we have to give them rent. If that rent is not paid this month, rent is not paid this month, then next month we will call it as rent outstanding of which month? September month. Okay. Then prepaid insurance. Prepaid means for this year insurance only we have to pay this year, but we paid this year itself, we paid for next year also. That is called prepaid. Okay, next year ka expense, next year's expense we paid in advance. That is called prepaid. Then commission received by him. He received a commission from someone. That is commission received. Then amount withdrawn by him for personal use. So he is the owner. So he took some amount for his personal use, 20,000. Then depreciation charged on building 10,000. So building, building always the value may reduce. So for all assets depreciation concept is there. So depreciation means reduction in the value of assets. Any assets we purchase every year we are using it, so the wear and tear, obsolescence, out of date, technology changes, due to that and all the value will decrease. So when the value is decreasing, that situation is known as what? Depreciation. So depreciation usually we will calculate on some methods and we will charge. That is depreciation. Then fresh capital invested. So additional capital invested in the business. So that is how much? 50,000. Then purchased the goods from Rahi. They purchased the goods from another person again, Rakhi. Okay. I think this much only there. Yeah. So that is the last one. So these are the transactions. Now I will show you how to solve this one. Okay. So how to show this in accounting equation, that I will tell you. Okay. So I made the columns in paper, so you can see, because full is not possible to show at a time. So either assets counting equation, assets are there, assets is equal to liabilities and capital. So in this way only you make. Okay, last class just I explained only how to just for introducing that topic to you. Now today I will explain in full this one full question, like how to do it in a full format. Okay, so assets you have to write first. Then I kept some columns for asset, because in between what items comes we don't know. So you, when you make, you can analyze all the questions and you can find out the headings. At least asset side what are the headings will be there, liability side what the headings, that you can analyze and make the headings. Number of columns you can make and keep. Okay, when that headings comes we can put there. So now first transaction, first is For transaction also I provided space here. So first transaction is he brought cash, then goods, then building. Okay, so what do we call it as starting business? So he started business. Starting business. I will write fast, otherwise video length will be more. So anyway, cash is one column required compulsorily. And then what we need on the liability side also, you know, what will be there, creditors will be there, that and all we cannot avoid. Then capital, one column we can provide capital. Then any other liabilities comes we will write here. Okay, so asset side cash is a compulsory item. Then cash ke saath he brought stock also, goods also. So stock we can keep one column, and he brought building, so building we can keep another column. Okay, so if anything comes we will write in the next column. So while starting business he brought cash, stock, building. So how much cash he brought? 2,30,000. So in cash column we write 2,30,000. Stock column 1 lakh. Building 2 lakhs. Okay, so here creditors nothing, here nothing, here nothing, and capital is total of all this, because all he brought to start his business. So all these are considered as capital only. Okay, otherwise he will bring money, then he purchase. Here he is directly bringing the stock and building also. So we can add it and write. So how much it will come? 5,30,000. Now both sides are equal. Okay, now second case is purchased goods for cash. Okay, so purchased goods for cash. Matlab cash has gone. Whenever cash is involved, purchased means business is purchasing. So cash has gone. How much? 50,000. So one item is going. 50,000 cash is going. But at the same time, what is coming? Goods. Goods is known as what? Stock. So we have to plus 50,000 here. Okay, so these two aspects will be there. Okay, only in very rare cases 3 places it will come, because we have to put the difference also, like a profit and all. Otherwise always 2 places you have to record. Okay, in 2 accounts. Now we will find the new equation after putting 2 items. Now 2,30,000 minus 50,000. Now cash become 1,80,000, but stock increased 1,50,000. 1 lakh was there, 50,000 added, so 1,50,000. Building no change, 2 lakhs. Creditors also no change. Here capital also 5,30,000. Okay, so if you add you will get same is equal to 5,30,000, 5,30,000, both side will come. Okay, you can add and check. In each stage you check it whether it is tallying or not. Now third case is sold goods. He sold goods costing 20,000. 20,000 is the cost price, but he sold it for at rupees selling price 35,000. So you imagine you have something 20,000, means you spent it for 20,000 and you sold it for 35,000. Okay, आपके पास एक पुराना washing machine है. That machine you purchased for 20,000. Now you are selling that washing machine for 35,000. So of course profit is there. So same way only, what we are spending, that is called what? Cost price. How much we are getting from the customer, that is selling price. So cash, how much we received? 35,000 we are receiving from the customer. So 35,000 cash position increased plus. So goods gaya cost. So sale matlab what is going out? Goods. So goods should decrease. How much is the goods value? 20,000. In goods don't minus selling price. Okay, so goods how much only we are selling? 20,000, but we are getting 35,000. So that's why cash is 35,000. Goods 20,000 has gone. So minus 20,000 from goods. So what is the profit here? 15,000. The difference that we have to add with the capital. So plus 15,000. Okay, so again put a line and add or minus, whatever may be the case. So 1,80,000 plus 35,000, 2,15,000. 2,15,000. Here 1,50,000 minus 20, 1,30,000. Stock reduced, building same, equal, creditors nothing, then this nothing. Our profit or capital become 5 lakh. It become how much? 5,45,000. Okay, capital increased. Okay, now again next transaction. Next transaction is purchased the goods from Rahul. So purchased goods from Rahul. So whenever name is given, remember money has not paid. We purchased the goods means stock came to the business, stock we received. How much is the value? 55,000. So we are purchasing from Rahul and we told them, now I don't have money, I'll pay you afterwards. So money position no change because no money is involved. So when name is there, remember. Suppose they are saying purchased goods from Rahul for cash, then money is involved. Okay, for cash word is there, then money is involved. If name is not there, only rupees given, then also money is involved. But when only name is there, then it is credit purchase or credit sales. Now here it is credit purchase. Business is purchasing from somebody called Rahul, and how much stock came? 55,000. So this Rahul become our creditor. So we have to pay him afterwards. So what we'll write in creditors? We put 50,000. Creditors already I made column. So 50,000. One creditor has come. Okay. So creditor, when we write, you remember this creditor, to this creditor we have to pay money afterwards. So cash position no change, 2,15,000. Stock increased, 1,85,000. Then building again no change, 2 lakh. Here creditors 55,000. No other items here. Capital 5 lakh 45,000. Okay. So this way another equation over. So 5 lakh 45 plus 55 you can add for liability side, and for this asset side also we can add on 2 lakh 15, 1 lakh 85, 2 lakh. So it will tally. Okay. Now another one, fifth one is sold goods to Varun. Again we are selling goods. So sold goods to Varun, costing. Always whenever sale is there, you check the cost price. Okay, because from our side how much we are taking, that should be known. So 50,000, 52,000 वाला stock हमने 4 rupees 60,000 सेल किया. We have taken 52,000 stock from the stock. So cost price from stock you minus. Remember costing जो बोलते हैं, that you have to minus from the stock. Okay. So what is the selling price? 60,000. That you can add with the cash. Okay. Here one thing remember, we cannot add because Varun is given. So name is given. Name given means money is not received from him. So he become our debtor. So one asset will come. Debtors. The people who has to pay money to us, those people are known as debtors. The people to whom we have to pay, business has to pay, that people are known as creditors. Okay. So don't be confused. Make it clear. So stock has gone 52,000, but money not received 60,000. So we will write and keep in his debtor column. 2 lakh again, building no change. So here also no creditor. This one also no change. Okay. So now we will again make a new equation. So these all, after adding or minusing, you can write new equation, NE. Okay. So this is NE. This one is NE, new equation. This is also NE. Now 2,15,000 cash position no change, 2,15,000. Here 1,85,000 minus 52,000. So 1,33,000. Then building no change 2 lakh. Debtors 60,000. Creditors no change 55,000. Then capital same amount 5,45,000. Okay, so that is over. This is new equation NE. Now next item is purchase paid cash to Rahul in full settlement. This who is this Rahul? Paid cash to Rahul. That word you listen, full settlement. Full settlement मतलब कम दिया होगा but full settlement के लिए request किया होगा. That means some discount is involved there. See who is Rahul? You can go above and see fourth transaction. Rahul is there. So Rahul is our where Rahul's money is there. See the line. Rahul's money is written in creditors column. That means and stock column. That means we purchased from Rahul and not paid money. Okay, but now we are paying him how much we have to pay actually 55,000. See here 55,000 is here. So Rahul's account showing 55,000, but we paid how much only in full settlement 53,000 only. That means Rahul might have given us some discount. Okay, so how much we paid to Rahul? 53,000. That only we can minus from the cash. Actual cash how much is going? Actual cash outflow is only 53,000. That we minus. But from his account how much will minus? He will consider it as 55,000. राहुल ने क्या बोला? आप मुझे 53,000 दे दो. I will settle your account. That means 2,000 discount he allowed to us. So that discount where to go? That will go as a profit only. It is a part of profit discount received. So we'll add with the profit or capital. Okay. Here profit is not there. That is why we are adding with the capital. Now new equation 2,15,000 minus 53 1,62,000. Stock 1,33,000. Building 2 lakh. Then debtors 60,000. Rahul's money we paid. So 55 minus this is minus 55 becomes 0. Now Rahul account closed. Okay. Now capital is 5,47,000. Okay. Okay, that also over. Now next one. Next is salary paid. So any expense paid, only cash and capital is involved. Salary paid how much? This is new equation. Salary paid 20,000. So any expense involved you can write in that cash and capital directly. Okay. So salary paid 20,000. So cash decrease. Salary means what? Money only. So 1,42,000 cash, and this is no change 1,33,000. This is 2 lakh building. This is 60,000 debtors. Creditors nothing, and here 20,000 we have to deduct from capital also. Paid money outflow. So cash outflow. So 20,000 we minus 5 lakh. 5 lakh or 2,000? Yeah, 20,000. One more thing. Here, yes, I forgot one thing here. Sorry. When we sold goods to Varun, 52,000 wala 60 को sell किया. So 52,000 stock has gone. We sold it for 60,000, but money not received. But profit is there anyway. Whether money received or not, profit is there. Okay, so that 8,000 we have to add with the capital. I forgot that. So plus 8,000. So it will be 5,53,000. Okay. So 5,53,000 plus 2,000, 5,55,000 here. 5,55,000, you make correction. Then 20,000 now minus salary paid. So remaining capital is 5,35,000. Okay. Understood? No. So before that, whenever sale is there, profit or loss should be added or deducted. If it is profit, we have to add with the capital. Here also we added 15. Here we didn't do. That's why now I added. Okay. Now that is over. This is new equation. Salary paid. Now received cash from Varun in full settlement. Now जो Varun है हमारा debtor is Varun, no? Yes. Where is Varun? Yeah, this one, fifth one. Sold goods to Varun. We sold goods to Varun and he didn't pay money. Now he is paying money now afterwards. So today we are receiving received cash from Varun. That also full settlement. How much received separately they have given 59,000. So okay, now you check in Varun's account how much is standing. 60,000 is there, but he paid only 59. That means we allowed him a discount 1,000. So discount we can allow to customer. We can receive discount from our supplier. Okay, so when we purchase, business will get discount, and when we sell goods to customer, we will allow discount to them. So when we allow discount, for that discount is loss for the business, but when we receive discount, that is profit for the business. That is why we will add with the capital. Now you see 59,000 received from Varun, so plus 59 in cash. Cash position increased. Here no change, here also no change. Here full settlement he said, that means full 60,000 will consider. Now how much a discount? 1,000 discount, that is loss for us, so that 1,000 will minus from the capital. Okay, so again we'll make the new equation. So how will make it? 1,42 plus 59, 2,01,000. So when you add, you don't use calculator. Okay, CBSE not allowed calculator to use, so do yourself. So 60 minus, this is minus 60 minus 60, 0. No debtors remaining. Debtors full paid. We assumed full pay. He paid only 59, but we taken it as 60. That is called full settlement. Now here 5,34,000. Okay, capital. Okay, so that also over. Now next is rent outstanding. Okay, this is new equation. Rent outstanding. Rent also, no, rent outstanding is a liability, so we have to make actually rent outstanding column here. Rent outstanding means rent due but not yet paid. रेंट देना था अभी तक दिया नहीं, सो हमारे लिए वो एक्सपेंस अभी भी खड़ा है बुक में, सो हम अभी बाद में देंगे. सो हियर नो इफेक्ट, ओनली इन कैपिटल एंड रेंट expense it will affect. Okay, so how much rent paid? 2,000. 2,000 is the rent. 2,000 or 3,000? I think 3,000. Rent outstanding, let me check. Yeah, 3,000 it is. So here 3,000, here minus 3,000. Okay, so here we can make new equation. 2,01,000. Here no change. Okay, only liability. Whatever we have to pay but not yet paid is a liability for us. That is why we put on the liability, and it will reduce our capital. Now we are paying it, so it is expense. So profit will reduce. Profit reduction means capital reduction. So 1,33,000 stock, 2,00,000 building, debtors nothing, creditors nothing. Here 3,000 rent is there. Yeah, 3,000. Then here minus 3,000, so 5,31,000. Okay, now next one, 10, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance, how much? 2,000. So prepaid insurance means we have already paid insurance. Okay, so Yeah, actually one column. This one I will write in the next paper because here space also less. I'll make it another paper. Okay. Okay. Prepaid insurance. So I brought the new balance, new equation. 2 lakh 1 cash, 1 lakh 33 stock, building 2 lakhs. Then rent outstanding 3 lakh is there. Capital is 3 lakh 1. Rent outstanding understood, I think, means not yet paid. Okay, but it is an expense for us, that is why we deducted from the capital. So 5 lakh 31,000. This is the position now, both the side. This is equal. Now prepaid insurance means anything, any expense we paid in advance, that is known as what? Prepaid. So prepaid is an asset for us, but outstanding expense is a liability for us. Okay, so prepaid is an asset, so we have to show it on the asset side. This heading I included. Okay, so prepaid insurance, what will happen means already we paid in advance. Next year expense, we if we are paying in this year, then we have to deduct it as per matching principle we studied. Okay, so here how much we have to deduct? 2000 we have to minus from the cash because we paid already. Stock no effect debtors. So here what will come? This side 2000 prepaid insurance will come 2000. Okay, so one side minus and another side plus. So this only the effect of that. So we'll form new equation. 2 lakh 1000 2 lakh 1000 minus 2000, it is 1 lakh 99,000. Okay, then 1 lakh 33 stock, building 2 lakhs. Then here 2000, this are and outstanding 3000, or this one capital is 5 lakh 31,000. Okay, so this is the position. Now what happened? Commission received. Okay, so next is commission received. So when we receive a commission, what we are getting? Cash. So cash will increase. How much received? 13,000 cash. So plus, then what will increase? Capital only will increase because it is part of profit. Commission, any income we receive, that will add our profit, increase our profit, and ultimately it will increase the capital. So cash and capital will increase. So 1 lakh 99 plus 13, 2 lakh 12,000. Then this is 1 lakh 33,000. Here also no change, 2 lakh. Here also 2,000. Then 3,000. 5 lakh 31 minus, sorry, plus only. Received no income. So it is 5 lakh 44,000. Okay, so that also over. Now 12 is withdrawn for personal use. Yes, this owner has withdrawn, simply withdrawn, they are saying it is money only. Okay, withdrawn for personal use. If they are saying withdrawn goods, then from stock you have to minus. Now they are simply saying what? Withdrawn for personal use means what? They can withdraw money only, we'll take it as money. So how much withdrawn? 20,000. So cash has reduced 20,000. He has taken cash from business 20,000. So from the 2 lakh, this one we have to minus. So ultimately this also will affect what only? Capital only. So 20,000 we will minus from the capital also. Remember, so this is called what? Drawings. I told you last class, money withdrawn for personal use is known as what? Drawings. So 2 lakh 12 minus 20, now the cash become 1 lakh 92,000. Here no change. Then capital will change. 5 lakh 44 minus 20, 5 lakh 24,000. Okay, next is 13, depreciation on building. Yeah, so depreciation already I told you, reduction in the value of asset. Any asset value decrease, that is known as depreciation. So we will take a precautions, like some amount we will set aside to meet that loss. So that depreciation we calculated So depreciation, what will happen? Building amount will decrease. So in building column, 10,000 we can minus. Okay. And from profit also will decrease because we take the money from profit only to cover this loss, reduction in the value of assets. So profit also will reduce. Depreciation, a full chapter is there, we can study there in detail. So cash position no change, 1,92,000. Here building now become 1,90,000. So here, yeah, 2 lakh was there. This also 2,000. Previous balance. Okay, I didn't write there. So 2 lakh minus building value was 2 lakh. From that 10,000 reduction 1,90,000. So here prepaid expense 2,000. This one is 3,000. So 5,24,000 minus 10, 5,14,000. Okay, that is depreciation. Now fresh capital invested. Fresh capital invested. So again he brought capital. So that also same like a capital only. How much? 50,000. So if a capital means it is cash in one side and capital in another side. So both the side increase only. Sorry, this is not minus, this is plus only. Cash आ गया. So 1,92,000 plus 50, 2,42,000. Okay, 2,42,000. Here stock. Okay, stock also will write and go. You have to carry down. No? Here also 1,33,000. 1 lakh, because final balance we should know. If you forget to write no like this, then later last line nothing will be there. So we always have to brought it down. So building 1,90,000. Then prepaid 2,000. Here 3,000. Capital increased to 5,64,000. Okay. Now last transaction is purchased goods from Rakhi. Again he purchased the goods. So from Rakhi given means name is given. That means money has not paid. Purchase the goods from Rakhi. How much? 6,000. So goods means what? Stock. So stock आ गया, इसलिए plus करो. And he has not paid money. So what? Liability came. So liability side again we have not paid money. So इसलिए our liability आ गया 6,000. Okay. So now again we will add cash position 2,42,000. Now this is the final one. So I will write with a red color so that you can understand. 2,42,000. Stock is 1,39,000. Again he purchased 1,33,000 plus 6, 1,39,000. Building value become 1,90,000 because 10,000 depreciation. Then here nothing. Here prepaid is 2,000. Okay. Now this one also creditor 6,000. Rent outstanding 3,000. Capital 5,64,000. Okay. Now assets is equal to liabilities. So if you want, you can add and check. Both the side we can check. So it will tally both the side. Okay. So this is called what? Accounting equation. Understood? No? So this way analyze each transaction. Minimum 2 effect will be there, and in some cases like selling of goods, cost price, selling price, the price separately given, then 3 places will come. And in the case of money settlement time, discount allowed, discount received, that time also 3 places we have to put, otherwise it will come in 2 places. Okay. So 2 places minimum one transaction will be recorded. That is called a dual aspect concept or double entry system of bookkeeping. So, okay. So accounting equation this much only. So what I told you already, that and all you remember and solve it, this question and other homework questions also. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.